Creativity Foods. As you guys have already read from the title of this video, I will be making jerk chicken quesadillas. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I combine the great taste of y'all and the great taste of Mexico into an amazing tasty recipe, stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to dice our chicken breasts. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut your chicken breast. So this is my chicken breast. I'm going to cut it in half. So just hold the top of it and cut in half. Now I'm going to cut my chicken breast into cubes. So very small cubes, not too small. I'm going to add my chicken seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and my Spice Jamaica jerk seasoning. It smells good. Our chicken is seasoned. We're gonna move on to cutting up our plant-based ingredients. I'm gonna start with my green bell pepper. I'm going to cut them up into cube sizes. So just like how I did the chicken, into cubes. My tomato, the same thing. Jalapeno pepper. Now for my purple onion. I also decided that I'm gonna use yellow bell pepper as well. Garlic. Our chicken breast that we cut up earlier, we're going to saute it and cook it in our virgin olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna add our plant-based ingredients. Now that we're all done with our chicken, we're going to build our quesadilla. So I have my large flour tortillas. I'm gonna take my tortilla and use my Mexican style quesadilla cheese. I'm going to sprinkle the cheese first. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Fold it. I'm gonna add it back to my skillet. Now I'm gonna attempt to flip my quesadilla. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay guys, my jerk chicken quesadillas are all done. Now for the best part. So good, guys. Can't forget the pear. My sour cream. It's so good, guys. Wow. You guys have to try this, like seriously. No joke. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you do try it, please let me know down in the comment section how it tastes. Trust me guys, the spice from the jerk and the pepper and the cheese, everything just combined together. It tastes really amazing. I hope you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the family, guys. More amazing content coming soon. I'll see you guys in my next video.